Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on Way with me, Karishma. And today we are going to talk about Sony's another variant, that is Sony's Ericsson K510 one. Yes, if we talk about K510i, then we can say that K510i was a variant which was 2006 release. Not very early, but yes, early 2000 release we can say about this variant. And it offers you different kind of a structure. If we talk about the structured phone, then we can say that this variant offers a very different structurality and functionality also. If we talk about this variant, then it was a type version out there. Yes, it was not a touch variant, it was type variant, offering a very heavy camera look and speakers out there at the back end, as well as front end looks very different out there. Yes, if we talk about the front end, it looks very different out there, offering you a weight of around and around just 82 grams. Works very well with this variation. So yes, you get to have a variant which is light weighted. 82 grams weighs very light out here. And when we talk about this variant, we can say the constancy of having mini sim technology remained there out. Whereas the screen size plays a very important role in the weight capacity. The screen size or the gadget has a total screen of 1.8 inches. You get to have 1.8 inches screen size. Along with that, you also get to have TFT screen along with 256K colorization. So this colorization plays a very important role because it helps to know about the visual colors, everything out there. Plus, when we talk about videos and music or anything, pictures, then this kind of colorization need to be seen. And these uh, small handy phones require these kind of, we can say, colorization also, and not a very heavy colorization, but a nice one. Talking about this gadget, we can say it has a resolution of 114 ppi density, offering you wallpapers and screensavers out there. You will not find any kind of protection like scratch proof, gorilla glass. No, such kind of protection is not seen out in this variant. Talking about the K510i out there, you will not find any expandability, which can be considered as a drawback also. Yes, this could be considered as a drawback because offering you no expandability does not goes well with the audience out there, and offering you a gadget which is having just 28 MB storage capacity does not go well with most of the audiences. Offering you just 28 MB storage does not offers a great range of we can say storages. Apart from that, if you have multimedia, if you have phone book, if you have wallpapers out there, if you have sharing out there, then you definitely need a lot of storage. So storage is slightly weak in this variant. Talking about this variant, we can say that it offers you 1000 entries as well as offers you 1.3 MP megapixel camera. Yes, 1.3 megapixel rear camera could be seen out in this variant. The placement of the camera is quite different because you will find a very different kind of a look in this placed camera. Loudspeakers are not there out there. You will not find any kind of loudspeaker or 3.5 mm jack, but this kind of a variation offers you a different kind of a speaker. As well as when we talk about this variant, it does not mean that you will not have speakers. You will have speakers, but not loudspeakers as such. Selfie camera is not seen out there, as well as you have a MP3 player. Vibration could be seen in alert types. If you ask what kind of alerts we have, then vibration is there. You will have ringtones out there. We will not be able to have connectivities with Wi-Fi out there. GPS connectivity, radio connectivity will not be seen out there, but you will have Bluetooth connectivity. That's why we say that connections are important in this, and expandability is required for this variation. When we talk about this variant, you will not find any accessory sensors out there like accelerometer, camera. These kind of sensors are not allowed in this variation. But having a battery life of 750 mAh and offering you 6-hour talk time is actually a good variation, because offering just 750 mAh battery and that too offers you about 6 hours talk time plays a very important role out there, because this kind of battery life is not seen in most of the variants. Now let us talk about the pricing of this variant. Talking about the pricing, we can say that this SitephoneZone.ae plays a very important role for the pricing because this offers you best pricing, best reasonable rates out there. Apart from that, this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets for which you have been looking for in a very specified way. All you have to type is your favorite gadget's name. This is the result of our search, and when we check the results, we get to see that there is a description box offering all the specifications which we were discussing right now. As well as this is a there's a condition written out there which is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, or we can say refurbished brand, or like brand new. If we talk about these two terms, then refurbished and brand new word, they both are quite same. Brand new itself means something which is first time launched or we are seeing for the very first time, whereas refurbished means something which is brand new, like something which is brand new like. So these are the two terms out there which we come to know. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that brand new term uh, resembles to the gadgets, to the thing, or to anything which is absolutely newly launched, which is for the very first time, and we have not seen it in the entire series. But refurbished is like that is a pre-owned thing which is now recreated again, so that it can be reused. Yes, this is what actually refurbished and brand new means. If we talk about the structure, if we talk about the functionality of these variants, they are absolutely same. Yes, if you get to see the functionality, they have the same functionality. Whereas if you get to see the structurality, if you see the design, if you see the eyes, screen, if anything, any gadget, then they are also same. So overall, we can say that brand new and refurbished products are very same. Once a refurbished product could be called a brand new, but a brand new product can never be refurbished. You could say that because once a gadget is always brand new. Yes, once a gadget will always be brand new, but any brand new gadget can never be refurbished. Now let us talk about the passage or how is it related, because we said that they are quite similar. So we can see that brand new's extension is refurbished. How? We have usually the three bases out here. We have the three pathways followed by any gadget. One is the base. Base is something from where we get that gadget originated from there. Then comes the mediator, is the place where the base and the consumer meets, and the consumer are we, the users. Now in brand new, what happens is brand new has the base, which is the company. Yes, brand new's base is the company out here, because company is the one which for the very first time launches any gadget out here. Yes, this is the company which launches any gadget. Whereas mediator is the marketplace. Always the mediator will be marketplace for the gadgets, because this is the place where it's a bridge actually where the company and the users meet. Now talking about the consumers are the users who uses that gadget for the very first time. This is actually the brand new out there. This is a brand new pathway. Now when we talk about brand new pathway, it terminates at the user. Yes, it terminates at the user. Now talking about the user, this user becomes the base of refurbished product, because the product has been pre-owned out here, so you get to have a refurbished brand now. If it is pre-owned, then it is said that it is once used out, so you can definitely once again use it. How? It is resold to another user. Yes, it is resold to another user. Now this is brought up in the market agencies which buy or which collects the pre-owned gadgets. Yes, pre-owned gadgets are used out here, are collected here. After that, you get to have testing of that gadget. Everything has to be tested, and then it is again resold to the users, and the users becomes a new user out here. Yes, now the user is a different user, another user is this. So this is what happens in a refurbished pathway. So you will find the structurality same, functionality same. Why we say so? Because there are 29 parameters to test these designs, these functions out there, yes, you get to have 29 parameters, which include the external and internal parameters like externally we can see all the factors like display buttons out there, camera, video, audio quality out there, even the battery life, charger. These things could be seen out. So this is what brand new happens to be. Now, talking about brand new products, we can say that brand new products offers you these things, and the same external factors offers you is offered in the refurbished category. Now, apart from these, refurbished also sees that the screen has scratches or not, the color is correct or not, is there any displacement in the buttons. These things also have to be seen, and the buttons are working properly or not. So these things also are checked out in these parameters. Then comes the internal parameters. Internal parameters includes nothing else but the internal functional parts like the connectivity, SIM recognition, OTG cable out there, your data wiping, data recovery, data colorizations out there, your LCD colorization, your touch screen, even your internal platforms like operating system, your processor, process maker, GPU out there. If it has sensors, then all kind of sensors has to be tested. Even the hotspot, Bluetooth connectivity, all the things has to be checked. Like 3.5 jack has to be checked out. So all the specifications which we read, which we study about any gadget once it is being launched, they all have to be checked out. Once it is checked, then these are certified as a refurbished gadget. If it is not passing in any of the parameter, if it fails in any one parameter, then it has to be renewed, it has to be corrected. Yes, if it fails in like display, then the display has to be changed out so that it can be resold, and the display is brought by the company out there. So it gives you a quality check, a good quality product, so that it offers you a good service. So this is overall the parameters which defines how the refurbished gadget looks like. Now, talking about refurbished gadget, we can say there are few benefits associated with it. Now, let us talk about the benefits of this product. And talking about the benefits of this product, we can say number one is the pocketable rates. Talking about pocketable rates, we can say that pocketable rates are very important part of any gadget, because we know that most of the gadgets are quite expensive for us. If we want to buy, then we need to check our pockets whether they fit into our pocket or not. So this is one thing which happens, and refurbished products are usually quite pocketable. Now, talking about this pocketable rate, does it offer savings? Yes, it offers you savings also, because you get to have a savings where you, because brand new products are actually quite expensive, whereas refurbished are pocketable, so you can save a good amount. Yes, you definitely save a good amount out there. As well as when we talk about these products, we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, whereas you get to have 6 months warranty period in the refurbished gadgets. Yes, refurbished gadget offers you 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7 days exchange policy. 7 day exchange policy is given so that you do not miss out your favorite gadgets, and if you have any default in the gadget, then that could be rectified and exchanged out there. So these are the few benefits associated with refurbished products, which you might not find in a brand new product. So these can be set a very good production and a very good condition out there. We can say a good condition which helps us to know about a gadget. So let us quickly go back to the site and check whether it offers you the same conditions or not. So as we were talking about the site, that is Phone Zone, which means Phone Zone means a place where you get a collection of gadgets out here, and here you get to see a category all mobile phones. This offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed brands, as well as you get to search your favorite gadgets out here. As we were discussing about the refurbished products, we got to see that there's a 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy, and this website offers you 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy also. Apart from that, there is COD and free shipping. Yes, COD and free shipping can also be seen out here. So you can check out the website. Shipping की बात करें, if we talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. For best pricing, yes, for best pricing, you can visit out the website out here, which is phonezone.ae, or you can check out the description box. It has all the details. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.